Think your garden's done blooming once summer ends? Not even close. Some of the best color comes after the heat fades. In this video, we're talking about 10 amazing perennials that bloom right through fall. Yes, even after most flowers call it quits. Whether you're refreshing your beds or planning ahead, these fall blooming favorites will keep your garden glowing right up until the frost. Let's jump in. Asters are like the fireworks of fall, bold, colorful, and absolutely unmissable. These daisy-like flowers come in purples, pinks, and whites, blooming just when other plants are winding down. They're also loved by pollinators, especially bees prepping for winter. You'll often find them buzzing with activity, even on chilly September mornings. Plant them in full sun and well-drained soil, and they'll reward you with a late-season display that rivals spring blooms. If you want drama without the effort, Sedum Autumn Joy is your go-to. This succulent-like perennial starts off green, turns pink in late summer, and deepens to rust red in fall. It's incredibly drought-tolerant and thrives in poor soil, making it ideal for low-maintenance gardeners. Plus, it stands up well through the first frosts. Even better, the seed heads look stunning into winter, so you get year-round texture in your garden. Elegant and graceful, Japanese anemones seem to float above the garden on slender stems. They bloom in soft pink or white, and their movement in the breeze gives a sense of calm and beauty. They thrive in partial shade, which makes them perfect for brightening up shadier spots late in the season. Plant them in rich, moist soil and be patient. They might take a year to settle in, but once they do, they're stunning repeat performers. Nothing says late summer like the cheerful face of a Rudbeckia. These golden yellow daisy-like flowers are tough, sun-loving, and bloom from midsummer right into fall. They're beloved by pollinators and gardeners alike for their ability to bloom through heat, drought, and neglect. Once established, they naturalize easily and return year after year, giving you dependable, long-lasting color with minimal care. Looking for something a little more exotic? Toad lilies offer up orchid-like blooms in speckled purples and blues, perfect for shaded gardens in fall. They prefer moist, rich soil and can handle cooler temperatures, making them a lovely surprise when most flowers are done. Plant them where guests can admire them up close. These intricate blooms are worth a second and third look. If your fall garden is missing heat and energy, Helenium steps in with bold oranges, reds, and yellows that look like little suns. Despite the name sneezeweed, it won't make you sneeze. It got the name from being used in old herbal snuff. Today, it's more prized for its ability to attract butterflies and bees. Cut them back in early summer to keep them tidy and enjoy a fiery floral display just when everything else is cooling down. You can't talk about fall perennials without mentioning mums. But skip the grocery store ones. Go for hardy garden mums that come back year after year. They explode in color, reds, yellows, purples, and they bloom just when you think your garden is done. Give them a sunny spot and pinch them back early in the season to keep them bushy. Come fall, they'll reward you with a festival of flowers. Turtlehead is a charming native perennial with snapdragon-like blooms that resemble a turtle peeking from its shell, hence the name. It blooms in soft pinks or whites, bringing a quirky touch to late-season shade gardens. This plant thrives in moist, rich soil and partial shade, making it perfect for woodland edges or damp spots that need fall color. The upright stems and dark green foliage stay neat all season long. It's also a favorite among pollinators, especially bumblebees, who love visiting its tubular flowers in early fall. With its low-maintenance nature and reliable late blooms, Turtlehead quietly becomes a garden favorite. Montauk Daisy is a late bloomer that brings fresh, crisp white flowers just when most other daisies are fading. It holds up well through cool weather, blooming into October in many zones. It thrives in full sun and dry, sandy soil, perfect for borders, slopes, or coastal gardens. The thick, leathery leaves stay clean and green, while the blooms add a cheerful contrast. To keep it compact, give it a good pruning in early summer. Come fall, you'll be rewarded with a bush full of classic daisy blooms right when your garden needs them most. Boltonia, often called false aster, bursts into masses of tiny white or pale lavender flowers in late summer and fall. From a distance, it looks like a soft, floral cloud drifting across your garden. This tall, airy perennial loves full sun and tolerates poor soil and dry spells. It's a great choice for back borders or naturalized areas needing a graceful, late-season filler. With a little early summer pruning, it stays bushy and upright. It blooms until frost and quietly fills the garden with light and motion, just when many plants begin to fade. So don't let fall be the end of the road for your garden. These perennials prove that the show can go on, with blooms that carry you through cool nights and golden afternoons. Drop a comment below if you've grown any of these, or if you're planning to add them this year. Hit like, subscribe, and let's keep our gardens blooming, right until the frost says stop.